And now let's look how a Romance and Violetta will dance Waltz bronze level choreography with count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's look again, this time from another angle. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with Whisk. And from here we dance Chasse from Promenade position with syncopated timing, then hesitation change, noticed heel pull for men, now double reverse spin with ladies heel turn, and progressive Chasse to right, outside change, finish in Promenade position, and from here Chasse from Promenade position. Very good. Let's look again from another angle. So we take close hold and we start with Whisk. From here we dance Chasse from Promenade position, syncopated timing continued with step outside into hesitation change, noticed man's heel pull. Now we dance double reverse spin, lady uses heel turn. Now progressive Chasse to right, syncopated timing, outside change, we finish in Promenade position, and from here we dance Chasse from Promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.